Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious sweet carrot pickle. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 2 pounds of fresh, firm carrots, white sugar, white vinegar, and a few key spices. Remember to sterilize your pickling jars and lids properly. This is a crucial step for safe and long-lasting pickles. We want everything clean and ready for our tasty creation. Next, we prepare our star ingredient, the carrots. Begin by washing and peeling about 2 pounds of fresh carrots. You can slice them into uniform rounds, about 1/4 inch thick, or create elegant julienne strips. After slicing, blanch the carrot pieces in boiling water for exactly 2 minutes. Then, quickly transfer them to an ice bath to stop the cooking process. Now, let's create the flavorful sweet brine that will transform our carrots. In a saucepan, combine 2 cups of white vinegar with 1 cup of granulated sugar. Stir in 1 teaspoon of salt, a half teaspoon of mustard seeds, and a 1/4 teaspoon of ground turmeric for that beautiful golden hue. Bring this mixture to a gentle boil, stirring until the sugar dissolves completely, then let it simmer for just a few minutes. Finally, it's time to jar our delicious sweet carrot pickles. Carefully pack the blanched carrot pieces tightly into your sterilized jars, leaving about 1/2 inch of headspace. Pour the hot brine over the carrots, making sure they are completely submerged. Seal the jars securely with their lids. Let them cool to room temperature, then refrigerate for at least 24 hours. Your homemade sweet carrot pickles are now ready to enjoy.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.